Has your kid come home with some unexpected guests? Don't worry, with Licefreee Gel, you're only a few steps away from a spotless scalp. Remove the cap and replace it with the provided root applicator. Apply to dry hair and the entire scalp, starting at the nape of the neck and behind the ears, working forward. Thoroughly saturate all hair and scalp. To be effective, all lice and nits must come in contact with the product. Put on a plastic cap and leave for at least 60 minutes. For best results, stay in a warm room. With Licefreee Gel still applied, remove the cap and comb out all dead lice and nits with the provided fine-tooth comb. Rinse the comb under running water. Once all lice and nits are combed out, rinse hair thoroughly with warm, running water. For more information and to see our full product line, visit our website, licefree.com.